Have you ever wondered how meme coins came to be so popular? Well, it's kind of hard to give a specific timeline. Some say it all started during the COVID-19 pandemic when the crypto market experienced massive growth. Hello, this is Learn and Earn with Enathon. The term meme coin has been used since 2013. It was originally applied to Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency based on the Japanese dog meme. Now, Dogecoin was created as a joke to poke fun at other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. However, the internet being the way it is, Dogecoin has seen surges in popularity and value, such as when Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted positively about it in 2021. As a result of Elon Musk's tweet, Dogecoin reached a new all-time high of $0.73 with an increase of over 2,000% within 5 days. Due to Dogecoin's popularity, more meme coins such as Shiba Inu, Akita Inu, and more began to enter the crypto market. According to the CoinMarketCap website, there are over 250 meme coins in existence with a total market cap of over $60 billion at the moment. Wow! And to think it all started as a joke. That's all for now. Join us in the next video as we explain the various types of meme coins.
Enathon, redefining learning.